This is my ponytail. It took me years to build this hair. It took me years. This video is just a little more aesthetically pleasing, you know, just a get your life together video, get your shit together video. I literally just commented on a video saying, how did the hair hold up? I like to mix my developer and put it on there, let it sit for 15 minutes. 15 minutes turn into 35. By that time, you know, it's a wrap. Like, I was gonna do a cute ginger color. Like, I was ready. Like, we was lit, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is the same exact kinky curly wig that I installed in that video. All I did was bleach the whole thing, but like I said, with the knots, I over bleached it. Please be careful when you're bleaching your knots, your hair, anything like that. Pay attention to how long you're leaving it on there, okay? What I did was ordered a old reliable backup. I ordered another curly wig from my vendor because that shit's bomb. I think I'm gonna go ginger for the culture, and just because I always do black, like I always got a black wig on, but I always go black, so I think we should just go ginger. I already got my hair dye.
This is the curly wig that I ordered from my hair vendor. Literally, you can go to www.crownbya.com right now and purchase the vendor list. And it has this bomb-ass Brazilian curly hair vendor. This is my favorite curly hair vendor. I love this hair. This texture, let me show you. This texture and their waterway, when you purchase that vendor list, it's this vendor and like 30 other. You want to like bypass like spending your money and researching all the vendors on that list. I just went ahead and start the ones that I use for my business. You're only supposed to use the vendors that you like really trust, that have like the highest quality hair to you. This hair, and like I said, like 30 other vendors on there, they give you such a cute ass bag. Boy, they not gonna play with you either with the accessory. Like, I could literally put y'all on game, okay? Like, this is all you need. Like, literally, this vendor is the shit. They set you up for success, okay? If you did want to, like, you know, resell, you take all this, put it in your packaging, put your own spice to it, put your own twist to it though, you know what I'm saying? Like, for my business, I just wanted to send a scalp to your doorstep, basically, you know what I'm saying? Like, that was my thing. So if you like dye hair, because I really don't have time or know how to dye hair like that, so if you specialize in dyeing hair, take this shit out, like promote your dye, like it's so many things, bro. But if you have any kind of questions at all, because I know I'm just like, because I know like just giving you a list to purchase and then that's it is like a little iffy. So yeah, I'm here if like, you know what I'm saying, y'all want to ask me questions or anything like that, just please don't hesitate to ask me to make any type of videos, anything that you might want to see. I will definitely get on that because I love to see people turn hobbies, see people turn their passion, hobbies and shit like that into coins, okay? Because we need coins to live. Financial freedom is my goal. I do not want to work. Who wants to sit there and be on somebody else's time? That's my problem. First of all, if you know me, you know I'm always late, always. So it's like, I don't know, it's just certain things. We only live once. I know that for a fact. I know for a fact that we die. I know for a fact that we need money to eat, to have shelter, to, you know, just provide for ourselves, our families. But I don't want to be a slave. I don't want to be like a, I don't know. I don't want to sound like I'm too good to work or anything, but no. Basically, like my boyfriend always says to me, okay, we have to work smart, not hard. Okay? Because, yeah, honestly, I want to be able to take a flight whenever the hell I want to take a flight. If I'm sad one morning, I'd rather be sad on a flight to Jamaica or some shit. Not, you know, oh my God, now I gotta fix it because I gotta go to work or something. I don't know. I do not. Lashes are in here. A headband is in here. A wig cap and a comb. First of all, this ain't no regular comb. This ain't no regular comb. The vendor gonna get you together. The vendor is gonna get you right. We haven't even got to the wig yet, and we done went on a beauty supply store haul. You feel what I'm saying? So, come on now, pick your vendors wisely. And the last thing, holy shit. Really only like sold these. Yeah, I sold a lot of these, but as for like experimenting, bleaching, dyeing, all the shit with one of mine from this vendor, like I'm excited as shit. Here's the detail. 250 density. I don't like them little skint wigs. I'd rather not. Yeah, the 250 density is really like, really lit. Like it's really full. Play with it. Don't play with it. Straight out the package. And this is why this shit's elite. Like, I'm putting reviews right here. Like, fuck it. Because this shit is that, yeah. Ooh.
wasting my time. That's a good amount of pre-plucking too. Like, I really don't feel like plucking tonight. Like, all I gotta do is bleach these knots and I'm good to go, which is what we're about to do. I already got them. I don't want to go ginger yet. And like I said, I never really got a chance to, you know what I'm saying, really slay it for myself. I was too busy just sending them out to people. I want one for my damn self. So we're about to go ahead and rock this, just this natural color. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna just do this black, and then when I'm tired of the black and I get tired of my hair hella fast, we're gonna bleach it. We're gonna go ginger. I promise one day we're going ginger. One day, but not tonight. When I got off today, I had my straight wig on. Went to the bathroom. While I was in the bathroom, I just snatched that off and took my braids out. And now we're here. I should have left the braids in. I always do that. Just hurry up and take the braids out. Like, relax. Work smart, not hard. Okay, if we can kind of get our hair flattened up. It's 11:13. Maybe Madison. Okay. Oh shit. I'm going on the trip soon. But shit, bro. Cause like I can literally slay my own shit. I wish I knew how to braid. Cause this is ridiculous. I ain't gonna talk shit, nothing like that, because I just don't know how to braid my hair. So I need services. I require 4 packs of this brand hair and 3 packs of this brand hair. I also require your hair to be washed and blow dried thoroughly. Blah blah, and my suite is to the right near the bathrooms. Do you have any questions concerning your appointment? No ma'am, I don't. I hope I can find this damn hair. That's a concern. I'm so glad I started vlogging, because this shit better be worth it, because we're gonna see. Like I said, this is pre-plucked. You could probably just get away with this straight out the packaging, but for the culture, I'm just go ahead and bleach these knots real quick. I'm not even plucking it, honestly, because let me part it and see.
Y'all, I literally been talking about how much I miss my boyfriend, and he just texted me.
Yo, what the fuck? This shit hurt. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh my. Oh shit. I'm gonna exfoliate. First of all, look at that glow. I'm trying to get this whole install done in 15 minutes. Just want to let it be known that I am a licensed esthetician. If you already knew that, congratulations. If not, now you know. Yeah. I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap up. Honestly, besides this one part in the middle, what lace? This is my ponytail. It took me years to build this hair. It took me years. Now that I am finally done, I can finally put my oil on my face. My face is dry as hell. When you touch your lace and shit with oil in your hands, it basically makes it lift and just not stick properly. Alright guys. I got this drip from London, I use this on my natural hair. So like I literally have the body wash of this in my shower. Y'all, I always take so long. My boyfriend said if I'm not ready by the time he gets back, he's out. And I said, I'll just have to take Big Smoke and we'll be out with her. But either way, I'm gonna be ready. My goal is to be ready.